Today we are doing Mobster Wife makeup. Let's get right into it. I already put on my foundation. I think you all know how to do that. But for a Mobster Wife look, we're going to snatch our face to the absolute snatchdest. Now, for Mobster Wife makeup, I am thinking sharp yet still delicate, because if your husband's a mobster, he probably wants to come home to some strong feminine energy after a long, hard day of mobstering. Lovely. I'll blend that out. A little bit of brightening. So just boop, boop, boop. Just in a few places. Nothing too crazy. But still a little crazy. Awesome. Now I'm going to blend that out. Just a smidgen bit of like baking, just nothing too crazy. Just a little bit under here, a little bit up here. Lovely. Now onto the eyeshadow. So onto the eyes, you can tell I put some tape on. This is kind of my first time using tape. I know I didn't do it right, but it'll work. So we're going to go in with Marshmallow. This is going to be our transition color. It doesn't come up as much. It's supposed to just kind of like help other eyeshadows undertones kind of come out through a bit more. Awesome. So now I'm going to go in with Pinette. Can't pronounce it, but this little gray bad sucker here. And it is gorgeous. We're going to just kind of put that on the upper eye. Bring it out. Go back in. Lovely. Bring it down a little. Other side. I like to bring it up to kind of help accentuate my eyes upwards. Make them not look so droopy. We're going to go in with the Licorice Twist, and we're going to kind of go out on the outer edges to kind of give it a gradient here. But I also bring it down to help accentuate the smoky eye. So now we're taking Sleigh Bells with a different little brush here. We're just going to put it right here, right along our crease. We're going to put that on both sides. Give it a little extra oomph. Now with my finger, I'm going in with the Plum Pudding. This is such a gorgeous color. It's dual chrome. It's not like always like directly in your face, but it's so gorgeous. It's light, it's pretty, it's easy. It is gorgeous. You can see it when I swipe across how dual chrome it really is. It's really beautiful, and like in person it shows up a little bit better than it does on camera. It does show up really well on camera, but it's something else in person, to be honest with you. So we aren't gonna go nuts with our eyeliner. Just a little something. Put on a little bit of mascara. I really like the One Size Fantasize. It's super simple to use. Obviously, just put it on. And I like the brush a lot. This is kind of my go-to. Doesn't take too much. And then once they dry, then I curl them. Let's take the tape off. I really like that. Very, very clean, very sleek, very well put together. Now we're going to do our eyebrows. So the brows are going to be a 3-step process. We go in really light and just kind of outline the brow. Make it more defined. It's going to look crazy at some parts. If you hear my son, I'm sorry, he should be napping. But he's like, F a nap. So, I'm going to brush it out. This kind of just blends it and gets rid of any harsh lines. Lovely. It can be hard for me to do my makeup in the camera. I'm not used to it, so if you see me looking over, that's why. And then last but not least, we're going to put on our Sephora Clear Gel. Now this is not something that you can like wear 2 days in a row. You have to like wash your face in between each use for sure, which you should do anyways, but just so you know. I find the next day can make them a little crusty or cleary. Lovely. Now the other side. So for the blush, we're going to use this paler tone from Hoola. And we are going to use my little blush brush right there. It's so pretty. So light. Elegant. Yet I am here. Just a little bit kind of great, like a T-zone. Nothing crazy. Alright, now we gotta switch over into our highlighter. We are going to use our Charlotte Tilbury highlighting wand in the shade Pillow Talk. I have to make sure it's on. When I first used this, I couldn't figure out like how to tell if it was on or not. There we go. Just the slightest little bit of highlight places that I think should be highlighted. Make sure to turn it off. So for the lips, I'm feeling like fierce, dark, feminine energy, so we're gonna line it really dark. Lovely. Some Sephora lip mousse in shade Orchid. What do you guys think? Is that too dark for this eyeshadow? It really might be. I might change this. So I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in the shade Pillow Talk. Lovely. Now I'm going to put on the Pillow Talk Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and we're going to see how this works with the eyes this time. It smells like chocolate. This is my favorite lipstick of all time. I think it really suits me. I think that it works well with my skin tone, and I love the way it smells. It's slightly plumping, which is perfect for my tiny itty bitty little lips. So I love it. So this is the final Mobster Wives makeup look. This is what I came up with. I don't really have Mobster clothes, so I'm like, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you next time.